That's how I like to do it, you know what I'm saying? My real name is Dexter. I got a lot more diamonds too. I just got new diamonds, by the way. Oh, whoa. Dexter. Ooh. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't do no plan, baby, you did. Dexter. Ooh, wait. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't do no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans.
What's up, my Supreme? What's good, my team? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Adriana, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be my drugstore makeup look, and basically it's like a whole bunch of drugstore beauty products that you put together to make a look, and this is the look that I created. So if you guys like my drugstore makeup look and you want to learn how it is, stay tuned. But first, if you're new or returning and have not already, hit the subscribe button down below to become part of the Supreme team. And without further ado, let's jump on into the video. So hey guys, I'm just gonna start off with my eyebrows already did, you know, just to kill a little time. So we're just gonna jump right on into it. So first I'm gonna start off with my NYX eyeshadow base, and basically it's like a base before you put on your eyeshadow, and this Morphe brush, I forgot the name of it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna apply it right under my eyebrows, and I'm just going to eventually fill it into my whole eye. Next I'm going with my Morphe palette. Now I don't really know if this is considered drugstore makeup, but it's my 3502 palette. I'm sorry in advance if it's not drugstore makeup, like a makeup palette, but let me know in the comments if you guys gonna let me rock with that. Next I'm gonna start applying eyeshadow on my upper crease. I think that's called like the brow bone, and I'm just gonna go in with this blush color, and then I'm gonna mix it with this it's kind of like a velvet, like violet color. After I make my cut crease, I'm just gonna go in with this tangerine color orange. Like, it's literally look like a tangerine, like, oh my god, but it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna keep tapping, like throughout all the eyeshadows, I'm just gonna keep tapping it on instead of brushing it on, because it makes a better blending effect. Next I'm gonna move on to this orangey red color. I don't know what it's called, but it's like really pretty, and I'm just going to tap it on right next to the orange color. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna be tapping and moving, like kind of like swiping at the same time, trying to blend in the two colors. Next I'm going with this orangey glitter color, and I wanted to use that as the last color because I wanted my eyes to look like a evening sunset, like right before the sun go down. It made a pretty beautiful transition color. with my Maybelline Eye Studio liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to do, like, I don't know what this is called, but you know, just to darken your lower eyelids, I guess. I really don't know what this is called. I'm gonna go on my Revive eyelashes that I literally got from Marshalls for only $3.99. Like, what? Like, bomb. Oh, look at you. Oh, I'm going with this mascara that, guys, like, I literally brought this from the beauty supply place right before I filmed the video, so it only cost me like $2, but it's really good. It's a really good mascara. You guys should try it if you ever see it in a new beauty supply place. I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation in the color 355. Oh, it's called Coconut. I just realized that. And I'm just gonna take this brush. This brush I'm just gonna be using just to, like, dig out the foundation out the bottle. So yeah. Take my big beauty blender from the Real Techniques, and I'm just gonna blend it in. I'm gonna go right back in with my Maybelline concealer in the color 45, and I'm just going to, you know, conceal my problem areas, my under eyes, my forehead, my nose, my corners of my mouth, and yeah. Y'all already know this part. I'm just blending out the concealer. You know, you gotta blend, 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 blend. Hey, blend, blend, blend. Hey. Next, I'm gonna go with my Triangle Beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna go with my Milani setting powder in the color Natural Tan, and I'm just going to set my concealer and my forehead and my nose and my chin. I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360 Mocha, and this is the setting, well, it's not setting powder, it's like basically like powder foundation, but I like to use this for my contour, considering that I don't put liquid contour on. I just use that as my contour, and I'm just going to blend it out. I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Master Chrome in the color 200, and you know this is the best part. It's the highlight, girl. I'm gonna highlight my face to death. I'm basically gonna highlight my nose, my forehead, my sides of my face, and my chin. Yes, honey, yes. Go with this Beauty Moments matte lipstick that I got from TJ Maxx, and it was only like, what, $5, and it has like mad colors in the pack. It's really good. Like, it's good, like a name brand. Like, y'all should go check it out. lastly, I'm gonna go with my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix Spray. It's like a fix setting spray that stays on your face all day. Like, girl, you need that. Yes, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed my little makeup look. I hope you guys want to see more. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see more makeup looks like this. As always, you know I always do what you guys want. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button to turn on my post notifications to know when I post, because I do post weekly. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.